Alright guys, so today we're playing Flea Facility, but I play with Classic Thumbstick. What up? I love puppies 14309. Oh, it's already hacked. Dang. Thanks. Seriously, we're gonna do this all day? Just such a teamer, dude. Oh. Don't worry, I'm coming. Hey, let's go. We're gonna escape. Bye-bye. Wait, what? This has to be hacked. Bro, she's clearly hacking. Oh no. Bro, come on, really? No, I died. Well, this was me playing with Classic Thumbstick, and it felt different. I don't really know how soccer does it, but it felt different. Okay, see y'all next time. Bye.